Hi everyone, my name is Ashlyn Franey, and today I'm going to be talking about Edpuzzle. So last week when we were discussing all of the web tools and apps that we can use in an educational setting, I was given English Language Arts to talk about, and one of the tools that I chose was Edpuzzle. This is something that I have seen in middle school and high school and maybe even a little bit earlier. It's something that I think a lot of students will find beneficial. It keeps students engaged because of the questions that are given to them. So when I first got onto here, I made an account. Right now I'm logged in as a teacher, and it'll show you that you're logged in up here. I'm logged in as a teacher so that I can show you exactly how it would be if you were a teacher. And as you can see, there's a lot of example videos. So these are on all different topics that you can choose. For me, since I'm talking about language arts, I'm going to go ahead and search up citation grammar because that is something that we've been practicing a lot in the placement that I'm in right now. So say I wanted to talk about MLA style citations. So then I would go to this video, this is what it would look like, and you can hit play and just watch the YouTube video throughout. Then if you click on these little raindrop icons down here, these are where each of the questions will be that your students will be graded on. So if you click there, then the question will come up, what is another name for an in-text citation? And the student would choose one of these options and they would be graded whether or not they're correct, and they would get an overall score, which would be a homework grade or just a low grade for your grade book. Other than that, you can do this for many different topics. I think it's great for English. It gives the students a really good idea of what's going on. You can assign it to a class, so you have people join your class. And it's a great way for students to stay engaged as they are being graded on the questions. And so they have to be listening to the video. I think that this is great for from an educational standpoint, and I hope to see a lot of people use it in the future. Thank you.